Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this morning I popped along to my local B&M as I normally do every week and pick up like a few essentials I always get from there because it just works out so much cheaper. And along the way I also picked up like a few random things and some snacks, and I just thought instead of me just putting them away in the cupboard, my camera battery was charged, which is really rare for me, and I thought I would just film a really quick haul and show you everything that I bought. I love watching hauls, whether it's a food haul, shopping haul, clothing haul, whatever it may be. I just love seeing what other people are into or interested in or buying at the moment. And I know there's a few people on my channel that really like to watch hauls as well. So I just thought instead of putting it away, I might as well make a little video about it. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to say again, thank you so much to the few people that have subscribed to me recently. It really does mean a lot, and if you aren't subscribed and you watch my videos, it means such a great deal if you did hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to do so, but I'm getting so close to 1,000 and it would just mean the world to me if I hit that. It'd be such like a huge milestone. I'm considering maybe doing like a prize draw, so once I've hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do like a really random, I'll do one of those like things you can do online. We just pick a random name out of all my subscribers and pick a winner, and maybe like I'll do a hamper or something, or some kind of prize just to say thank you for being a subscriber to my channel. So keep an eye out for that, because that'll probably be something that I will plan. But yeah, without further ado then, let's get into today's video. So I feel like the main part of this video is going to be around cleaning, because I seem to have loads of cleaning items and then like a few random items and then just some sweet treats. So if we just start with cleaning, because that's what I love and that's what most of my followers enjoy, is my cleaning content. So we will start with cleaning first and then we'll move on to everything else. So I picked up some more of the Lenore In The Wash scent boosters. Again, this is in the Spring Awakening scent. This is my favourite scent to get. They also do, my also other favourite one is the Unstoppables. It's like the greeny coloured turquoise one. I can't remember what it's called, but I've been using these for quite some time now, and I don't use it in every wash. I normally just use it in things like bedding, towels, George's clothes I use it in as well. But yeah, I have bought a few glass jars recently. I'm not sure if you've seen them. Maybe go check out my Instagram or my TikTok. But I'm obsessed with my laundry jars. So I needed a few more to top these up. And I also wanted to film like a little refill video as well. So I thought I needed to pick up some of these to refill my jars. Okay, so next up then I've got a new Febreze fabric refresher. I always buy these, but I saw this one in B&M which I haven't bought before, which is the antibacterial one. And it says it does contain a water-based formula to eliminate odours, and it kills 99.9% of bacteria. And the biggest sort of like marketing thing I guess that people are going to buy, it says that it kills coronavirus, which is great. So it's good to have something that you can spray on all your fabrics, curtains, bedding, sofas, etc., where we always, are most of the time anyway. And just know that it's going to smell really great, but then also it's going to be germ-free as well, which I think is great with having a little one around all the time as well, who's going to nursery and always picking up, God knows what. So it's great to know that there is something out there that is going to kill those viruses on fabrics and things. And I think it was actually, I'm not sure if it was an offer in B&M, but it was cheaper than the regular Febreze. The regular one was £1.99, this was £1.49, and this is in the scent Morning Freshness. And I'm planning on doing like a bit of a big house clean later, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Okay, so up next then is one of my long-term lovers of cleaning products, and that is the Pink Stuff by Stardrops. I've pretty much used most of their products before, like the paste, the antibacterial spray, the oxy powder, the toilet cleaner, and I found this in B&M. Never actually seen it before or used it, but this is the Miracle bathroom foam cleaner. It's vegan, which is great. I'm pretty sure all of Stardrop's products are vegan. I think that's one of the biggest selling points. But it is a non-drip formulation which removes and prevents lime scale and leaves your surfaces sparkling streak-free shine. So I'm guessing I'll be able to use this on my shower door, also my mirrors. It pretty much says that you can use it on most things. The only thing it says you can't use it on is waxed, oiled, open pore, painted or varnished wood surfaces. So I'm pretty sure it will be fine on like my toilet, my sink, my bath, tiles, pretty much everything except for the walls that are painted, and my radiator because that is also painted. But yeah, I think that'll be really good to use. I'm hoping it's going to really foam up and yeah, leave everything sparkling clean. Okay, so next I needed to pick up one of these new toilet cleaners. I'm not really sure what these are actually called. It's a duck active clean, and effectively you just hook this little bit onto your toilet seat, and then every time you flush it cleans the toilet and keeps it smelling really lovely. This is the duck limited edition one in the scent Berry Magic. I'm pretty sure I bought this one last time that I filmed in a haul. I'll link all my other hauls down below if you want to go and check them out, but it was really beautiful. The toilet smelled really nice all the time, and it was pink as well, which was really good because it was nice and pretty. And this was only £1 at the moment in B&M, so I picked up one of those because we needed a new one. Okay, up next is a product that I have never actually seen before, and this is by the brand Astonish. Now, we have used Astonish for a few of our like cleaning items. I've got an Astonish bathroom cleaner, and I've also got a like glass and shower cleaner as well, and I absolutely love it. But I found this. This is the Astonish Concentrated Disinfectant. Now, I use Sephora a lot. I love Sephora, but I saw this. I just think the bottle looks really beautiful and like classy, and I don't know, I think it just looks really expensive and nice. And it's in the scent Linen Fresh. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, including coronavirus, and yeah, I'm really excited to use it. It was so much cheaper. Oh, so it smells really lovely as well. It smells quite similar to Sephora, but it was cheaper. This was only 99p. The Sephora, I think the cheapest one they had was £1.99, and I just think this looks so much more beautiful as well, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. I love like the square bottle idea as well. They also had a couple of other scents. I think they had a pink one and also a green one. I'm not sure what the scents were, maybe like apple and berry maybe. I love the idea of having like a Linen Fresh one, but yeah, really excited to try that. I'll let you know what I think maybe over on my Instagram, or if I'm filming like a cleaning routine, I'll post a little review on there and let you know how it compares to Sephora. Up next is just some 20 black sacks. I don't really know what there is to say about these. They're pretty boring, but they are the industrial strength refuse sacks with a tie handle. I love to have a tie handle. I hate the ones that don't and they're really fiddly to tie up, so it's great that these ones have a handle. And yeah, they're bin bags. Not really a lot to say about bin bags. Okay, so up next then, I've picked up one of the Dishmatic Essential Classic Refillable Hand Replaceable Sponge cleaners. And I've had these before and I think they're great. I'm not sure where the handle went because the handle is the reusable part, and I know that I have spare sponges downstairs. I think I might have used it on like the barbecue and then maybe left it out. But basically all you do is you take the top off. Oh, it's not spinny anymore. Oh, it's not a lid. I don't think it's ever been actually. So you just open the lid up here and you pour your washing up liquid in here, and then these sponges are reusable. They just technically slide on and off, and you can just use it to clean your dishes, and you only then obviously get as much washing up liquid as you need, which I feel like is just a good way to save on washing up liquid. And yeah, they're really great. I've got some really nice pink sponges downstairs that were a limited edition as well that I've had in my cupboard forever and just never used them, so maybe I will switch that over later on before I clean with it, just to have the nice pretty pink one on there instead. Okay, next cleaning item then is some new bleach. This is the Duck Fresh Action Gel in the scent Berry Magic. Again, it is the same as the toilet cleaner. It's the limited edition scent, and I thought if I get them both exactly the same, then it'll probably go quite nicely when I'm cleaning the toilet as well. And yeah, not really much to say about it. I was just about to take the lid off and smell it, then I thought bleach probably isn't the best thing to use that for. So yeah, that's bleach. There's not really much to say about bleach. Okay, so last sort of cleaning item that I got then was some more bicarbonate of soda. I absolutely love bicarbonate of soda. I've filmed a video down below of ways that you can use this, because there is just so many different ways you can use this to keep your home nice and clean and smelling fresh. The two things that I love to use this for is, number one, I love to put some of this in like a little ramekin in the fridge, and it just helps traps any odours that your fridge might have, like really smelly cheeses or, I don't know, fish, whatever it may be, but it does trap odours. And then I also love to use this on my sink, drains in particular. It's really good if you pour some bicarbonate of soda down your plug hole and then follow it with some like white vinegar or some lemon juice, something that's quite acidic, followed by some hot water. It's really good at cleaning your drains, and it makes such like a really nice like fizzy ASMR sound as well, which is really cool. Yeah, I needed some of this. I think this was 99p, and there's just so many uses that you can use it for. So if you are interested in seeing how you can use this around your home, like I say, there's a video down below, you can go and check that out, and yeah, see if those ways will work for you. Okay, so that is all the cleaning items then. So I've now got over here just some really random bits as well. So I've picked up a new Radox. This is the Radox Therapy Sleep Aromatherapy Bath Soak. It's basically like a bubble bath, but I really needed a new bubble bath to put in my bath. How many times can I say bath in one sentence? But yeah, George also loves this as well. It's just really good at making your muscles feel relaxed, and after like a really long day at work, it's nice to come home and have a bath with some of this. Quite cheap in B&M as well. I think normally in Sainsbury's this is maybe £1.99. Picked this up for £1.29 in B&M, and it is huge. You can tell by the size of my head, and I feel like I have quite a big head. But yeah, this lasts a really long time, and for £1.29 I think that's great value for money for this. Okay, I picked up some of these kids toilets wipes. So we are currently in the process of potty training George. George is 3.5. He's quite behind where he should be at the moment, so I know a lot of kids, no mums come for me and say that their kid's already potty trained, or George should be. He is quite behind where he should be, and that's okay. But whilst he was going through toilet training, I found some of these. These are the kids' toilet wipes. He loves like the sea, he loves sea animals and fish, etc. So once he saw them with an octopus on, I just knew I had to get them, because hopefully it might just make it a bit more fun and entertaining for him to use the potty and go to the loo. They were really cheap as well, 99p, and also they came in handy because I bought him some Freddos, which he ate on the way around the shop, and then his hands just got covered in chocolate. So these were really handy to quickly pull one out and be able to wipe his hands. Next thing then that I've picked up is some new mouthwash, and this is the Dental Dual Action mouthwash. It's alcohol free, which is great, because sometimes when they are full of alcohol it can really like burn your mouth, and it just isn't like a pleasant experience when you are brushing your teeth. It has a double formula, I think that might be what it's called, and effectively the phase 1 fights the plaque, and then this makes your breath nice and fresh. It's quite gross actually, because you shake it so you can obviously get both, and then it goes like this nice like purpley colour, and then you use the mouthwash, and once you spit it out, all like the plaque, you can see it in the bowl, if that makes sense. Which I guess is a nice way to know that you've got it all out, I guess, but it's quite gross. But this is, they don't really have many mouthwashes around. Normally I use the Corsadil because it works really well with any mouth ulcers that I get, which I get quite often, but they didn't have that, and the only one they had was one with alcohol in it, which I really didn't want. So I picked up this. This was £1.79, and yeah, it's mouthwash, but I really did need to pick some up. Okay, next up then is a new notepad, and there isn't really much to say about this except that it is a nice pink notepad, and I picked this up for work because I doodle a lot at work, and I probably shouldn't, because my whole book at work at the moment, my old one, is probably like this much full of notes and then this much full of just doodles and drawings, so I'm trying to stop. But they're so cheap. It's £1.99, and it's just great for being organised, and yeah, I needed to pick up one of these for work. I probably should have picked up 2, because I'm pretty sure in a month's time that's going to be full up again of drawings, because yeah, I love to draw and doodle. Okay, so as I'm filming this, I'm actually off work for a few days. My partner is away. He'll be back when you are actually watching this, but I have picked up a few baking essentials. So I picked up a icing bag set because I really want to ice, and it comes with like the bag and then also all the different attachments down here as well, nozzles or the shapes, whatever you call it. This was so cheap, £2, which is just incredible, and I'm pretty sure it's actually a reusable icing bag set as well, so you can wash it. Yeah, it's hand washable, so you can wash it up as soon as you're done with it and just keep reusing it. And then I also picked up some of these paper cases as well. These are £1.49. I was going to get the silicone ones, but obviously once you've once you finish baking, you take the cake out of the silicone case and then serve it. So I wanted to have something that I could just leave them in, especially with having George. But I thought we would bake some cupcakes. I'm going to try and attempt to decorate them really nicely and perhaps get practicing for Christmas. And just see if I can make some cute little cupcakes, especially for Christmas time. I've seen like so many cute ideas on like TikTok and Pinterest, and I'm like the least creative person out there, so I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can make it look a bit Christmassy, but wish me luck. Maybe I'll like film a video on me baking cakes. Talking of Christmas, I picked up a few of these. Before we talk about these, can we just address the fact that it is currently middle of September and B&M was completely full of Christmas stuff. There was like 6 aisles of Christmas things and half an aisle of Halloween. Like, Halloween still hasn't come yet. It's not like there was half an hour left of discounted stock. There's just so much Christmas stuff out, which I'm not complaining about because I absolutely love Christmas, but I just feel like it might be a little bit early. But I saw these and I thought I would pick them up. So these are some wax melts. I've recently come into a lovely wax melt candle sort of holder thing, and I saw these and thought they'd be great for Christmas, or at least maybe just like autumn and fall, that kind of time. So I got the ones in Winter Spice, which is like an apple cinnamony sort of flavour, and then I also got some in the gingerbread cookie scent. These are more my partner's favourite scent, this is more mine, so I thought I would get both, and we can, you know, rotate it or use one pack first and one pack another time. But really cheap, £1.50 each, which I think is great because the wax lasts a really long time as well, and they smell great and I can't wait for Christmas. And then the last couple of items that I bought were just some snacks. So I picked up a couple of these. These are the serene bars. We've got the apple ones and we've also got the strawberry ones. I have said in so many videos, George is completely and utterly obsessed with these, and you can already see, like, 2 bars have already gone because he had one in the shop and then also one with his lunch when we got home. But yeah, they will probably be gone in the next week or so because he is obsessed with them, which I'm not complaining because they're not too bad for him. Better than him eating loads of sugar. And then I also picked up a Freddo pack as well. You get 5 mini Freddos in here. He has had one of these in the shop also. I was saying he got his hands completely covered in chocolate, so those wipes needed to come out. But yeah, they're just to have in the cupboard to work as a little treat for him, perhaps after dinner on the odd occasion. The last thing I picked up was a treat for me really, although it's not really a treat, but these are the Skinny Whip bars. These are in the mint and dark chocolate flavour, and I'm not trying to lose weight, I'm not like on a diet, but my friend gave me one of these the other day as a snack and they tasted amazing, and I just thought instead of buying, I know, 5 dairy milks, I might as well just have a box of 5 of these and eat these because, like I say, I'm not trying to lose weight or be any healthier, but if I'm choosing something and they're just as nice, or I feel like they're just as nice, I might as well eat these. So these are less than 99 calories, they were £1 for 5, and they're just fit. And they're just 5 mint flavoured nugget bars coated in dark chocolate. But yeah, I really like those. They do them in other flavours as well, I think like strawberry, raspberry, maybe like a toffee I think, but the mint ones are definitely my favourite. So then guys, that is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, like I say, please hit that big thumbs up button and please consider subscribing to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Like I say, I'm getting so close to 1,000. It's my dream for this year to get to 1,000 subscribers, so it would really mean a lot. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.